proceeds. Next, quantitative analysis and interpretation. First, introduce ang statistics. I-introduce ko yung stats. So, di ba ang statistics is very familiar na sa atin kasi math major naman di ba tayo? Yes. Napag-aralan natin yun di ba nung senior high school tayo at nung last semester pa lang. So, very fresh pa ang ating math. Medyo. So, doon I discuss, according sa kay Kubizin and Burrich, sinabi niya na ang statistic daw is collecting, organizing, summarizing, analyzing, and draw a conclusion. So, ibig sabihin, ang stat is hindi ka lang magpataka na mag-solve ka lang, kundi meron systematic. So, meron ka gina-follow na first is mag-collect ka, then hanggang sa mag-analyze ka na para makadraw ka ng conclusion. Now, who can give me the 4 level of measurement? Mayor? Nominal, ordinal, standard. Thank you. May question pa ako. Why is it important to understand the level of measurement when selecting statistical tools for classroom assessment? Bakit siya important?
Important siya para ma-ensure yung fairness and validity and ma-support yung meaningful classroom decisions.
Thank you, Mayor. Very well said. Level of measurement is important siya sa pag-select ng ating statistical tool in classroom assessment para maging fair at maging valid yung assessment natin at magkaroon tayo or it ensures meaningful classroom decisions at ma-accurate yung interpretation ng ating data. Familiar ba kayo sa Likert scale data yung agree, disagree, ganon. So, sa tingin ninyo, saan siya belong sa level of measurement? Okay, bye? Ordinal. Ordinal siya. Bakit siya ordinal? Sa tingin mo, bakit siya ordinal? So, hindi ba natin pwedeng gamitin ang nominal data sa pag-measure ng Likert scale?
Well, sa difference kasi ng ordinal and nominal, sa ordinal ay paano tayo na-order. However, sa nominal naman, although categorize yung dalawa, ordinal and nominal, nominal will also be follow the order.
Thank you, Bai. Gaya na sabi ni Bai, sa Likert scale, hindi siya appropriate na gamitin natin ang nominal kasi Likert scale is meron siyang order, meron siyang inherent order, not like sa nominal na although categorical din siya, pero wala siyang inherent order. Dito tayo sa activity number 1. Some great teachers in given of being students exam, she is the writer of policies, because I was studying her software learning and experience based on the course. She is paid in speakers allowed report. Each speaker responds for each of her score, for example, 9,200 study, and his name to the class of it. These also class online results and study of our class. Now the question is, in the classroom scenario above, identify the level of measurement for each of the following variables and explain your answer. So, Angelica Mijares. So number